Okay, so I want to talk to you about number lines, all right? A lot of times in math, they're like, oh, what should we name this thing? Well, what's happening? It's got numbers, it's got a line. It's got a number line. It's like Mitch Hedberg, he talks about if whenever the guy that named like kitchen appliances, he's like, what does that thing do? Refrigerate? Let's call it a refrigerator. What does that thing do? Toasts. It's called a toaster. Just add ER to the end of everything. Math people were just like, hey, let's just stick the two words together of what's happening. Okay, so you've got number lines. You've got a line with numbers on it. Okay? Now, you can manipulate your number lines based on what numbers are going to fit your problem. So like this line goes on forever, and you can just keep going up until you get to like infinity-binity. That's not a real thing. And you go in all the way, and it crosses over into the negatives, as you can see from here. Like positive numbers going into debt. You know what I mean? All right, so let's look at a few cases of a number line. I just erased that. I was so excited. Okay, first one. Let's do this one. 2 plus 6, okay? If we're building the answer of this around a number line, we would start with that first one. So it'd be 2. So I'm going to stick my little dot at 2, okay? Now I'm doing plus 6. That means I want to go up 6. Like this way is more. It's like when you're reading a book, you go to the right when you read. So remember, that's the way you want to go. That's the positive area. So we're going to go over 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 is our answer because that's where we landed. So we have 2 plus 6. All right? Easy enough. Let's check this one. 4 plus negative 2. So I'm going to start at 4. Now, I'm adding. You're thinking, oh, I'm adding so it'll go up. But I'm adding a negative. Okay? So that means I'm actually going to go back. I'm going to take those away. Essentially, that's like that negative overrides that positive when they're next to each other. It's like evil overcoming good, which isn't great, but it's kind of what we got here. All right, so we go 4, and then when you got to go back 2. So I'm going to go back 2, and my answer is a positive 2, and that's my answer. So if you type it in your calculator, you'll get that answer. Okay, so let's try this last one. Negative 6 plus negative 3. So we got negative 6 where I want to start, and I want to go plus negative 3. So I want to go back 3. Okay, a lot of times these number lines wig people out because you see it gets higher there, but then it gets lower here. So it feels like, oh, I'm getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's actually a smaller number because you're going further away from going up. Okay, does that make sense? It's like if you're like in a golf tournament and you keep like scoring worse and worse, you're getting away from it. That's a bad example because like the higher numbers, I'm sorry. Okay, ignore that. All right, so negative 6, I'm going to go back 3. 1, 2, 3. My answer is negative 9. That's a number line, ladies and gentlemen. That's a number line. Oh, hey, it's me, Michael Jordan, Shoemaker. I want you to know that if you don't click that little circle there to subscribe, then you won't ever find your true love. That's a fact. It's like an email chain letter. If you're not 45 years old, you will not get that joke. Not important, but click that. Anyways, I'll wait.